In this video, we are going to study about various hormones found in animals. What are hormones? Hormones in animals conduct a variety of functions like growth, sexual development, vegetative development, cellular respiration, metabolism, thermal production, etc. While the nervous system coordinates activities of animals like movement, hormones integrate the coordination. Larger complex animals like vertebrates have endocrine glands to produce hormones. The well-known animal hormones are estrogen, testosterone, insulin, etc. Hormones play an important role in control and coordination in humans along with nervous system. Glands are known to secrete hormones and enzymes. There are two types of glands: endocrine glands and exocrine glands. Endocrine glands lack the ducts and hence release the hormones directly into the blood. Blood carries the hormones from the site of secretion to the site of action. Exocrine glands contain ducts and hence the site of synthesis of glands is same as their site of action. That is, the enzymes produced by the exocrine glands are not dependent on blood to carry them to their respective site of action. In this diagram, you can see the location of various endocrine glands found inside the human body. The pineal gland, pituitary gland, which is also known as the master gland, the thyroid gland, which is a butterfly shaped gland. Right next to it is parathyroid gland, the pancreas. Now we will see various types of glands along with their respective functions. Pituitary gland, also known as the master gland. It is single. It is present in the hypothalamus of the brain. It controls growth. It controls secretion of various other glands, hence it is called the master gland. When this gland oversecretes the growth hormone, it leads to gigantism. And when this gland undersecretes the growth hormone, it leads to dwarfism. The next gland is the pineal gland. It is also single. It is present in the brain. It responds to light exposure. It produces and regulates melatonin, which regulates the sleep patterns. The next gland is the thyroid gland. It is paired. It is present in the neck region. It produces thyroxine, which contains iodine. It is responsible for maintaining metabolic rate, healthy hair and skin. Lack of iodine leads to deficiency of thyroxine, which leads to a deficiency disease known as goiter. The next gland is the parathyroid gland. It is also paired. It is present above the thyroid gland. It is a parahormone. It controls and regulates the level of calcium and phosphorus in blood. Lack of this hormone leads to brittle bones. Next gland is pancreas, or the pancreatic cells, islets of Langerhans. It is present behind the stomach. It produces insulin. It regulates blood sugar level. Deficiency of insulin causes diabetes. The next gland is adrenal gland. It is present above the kidney. It produces adrenaline, also known as fight or flight hormone. Its function include increases heartbeat, supplies more oxygen to muscles, increases breathing rate, lowers blood supply to the digestive organs and increases supply to the skeletal system. Next glands are testes and ovaries. They are paired. In males, testes are found. These are present outside the pelvic region and produces testosterone, which is the male hormone. And in females, ovaries are present. These are present inside the pelvic region and they produce estrogen, which is a female hormone. These hormones collectively are responsible for secondary sexual characters in males and females, puberty, sperm production in males, and egg production in females. Lack of secretion of these hormones would result in infertility and delay in onset of puberty.